Yo, what's up guys, it's Anthony again. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be demoing off Kiss of Death by smoking alien fireworks. It's a 23 shot firework, 500 grams. I've never seen a video on it. But yeah, here's the description over here. These kisses are extra special. Golden pine mines to huge breaks of golden pine with red, green, and blue stars with white strobes and a sweet ending. So yeah, sounds like a pretty good description. I'm really excited for this one. As I said, I've never seen this cake, never seen a demo until I picked it up. So yeah, I'll be right back with the demo. Alright guys, it's finally time to light off Kiss of Death by smoking alien fireworks. Light it. 23 shot. Here we go. Oh. Pretty nice mines. Let me get those. Oh. So yeah guys, that was Kiss of Death 23 shot 500 gram cake by smoking alien fireworks. That one was nice. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.